Okay, I want to take a quick minute and show you how to set up a party for someone else. So you're here in your back office and you're going to come up to here. I'm on my dashboard now. Go up to where it says my office and click it. Come down over here to where it says my parties. Click that. Hit schedule a new party. My computer's very slow. Schedule a new party. Come on, there we go. Okay, so you're going to get this screen. Let's get this party started. So this is what it's going to look like for when you do it for yourself too. So when you're doing it for a customer or a friend, you're going to hit customer or friend. Okay, if it's a customer and they've already ordered from you, you're going to start typing their name. So I've put in orders for myself before, so let's see. So here I am. Okay. If they're not a customer, you just need their email address. And I'll go back here and show you. Don't mind my kids in the background. Very slow today. What's wrong with it? All right, here we go. So we are going to customer or friend. Say you do not have them as a customer. You want to create a contact. Click this. So you need their first name, their last name, and an email address. Okay? You're going to hit continue, and you're going to pick your theme. So let's go back here. Let's open up. I'm going to pretend that I'm my own customer. And then you're going to choose your theme. So kudos, lashes, let's choose. You can default anyone you want. And then you're going to hit save my party. Very, very simple. All you need is your customer's email address. They're going to get an email where they need to click in and confirm. Now, what I do is when I put their email address in and I get here and I create this party, I make their unique password the word unique. So it's easy to remember. I will email them the link or Facebook message them the link and tell them that they need to go into their email to confirm the party and that their password is unique. Once they confirm the party, it's open and I run it as I normally do in my Facebook groups. I hope that helps. This is the very first time I've used this, so I'm hoping that it works well for you guys. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.